This is a great place to have fun with recreation room, acreage and so much more. Spacious, beautifully treed acreage surrounds this home, but only minutes to town and schools. Large yard for recreation along with this huge detached garage or workshop for hobbies or storage. Boats, cars, campers and more can fit in this huge garage or workshop. Note the half-bath and quality construction in this upsized building. Well-maintained home with lots of extras like this large storage building and rustic recreation room. Large patio deck for cookouts adjoins the recreation room. Beautiful brick patio and back entry area. Inviting entry welcomes you into this wonderful family home. Large living room with gorgeous brick wood-burning fireplace for cool winter nights. Separate family room to accommodate formal dining table or other family gatherings. Driveway from the street. Home is located on a paved road. Beautiful hardwood floors and ample counter space in this kitchen. Handy breakfast area at the end of the kitchen for light meals. Spacious master bedroom with private bath, walk-in closet and ceiling fan. Big walk-in closet adjoins the vanity area. Private separate bathroom. Second bedroom with ceiling fan and double closets. Second bathroom is accessible from the bedroom or hallway. Nice second bath with tub and shower. Guest bedroom with walk-in closet and outside entry door. Would make a great mother-in-law suite. Handy laundry area with mop sink. Wonderful recreation room for family gatherings, football night or your pool table. What home has their own private bar? This one does. Come take a look at this great home priced at only $189,900.